Welcome to this quick guide on how to manage your privacy settings in Trello. If you're someone who values control over your data, especially when it comes to cookies, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to disable functional, analytical, and marketing cookies directly from your Trello account. Open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account. In the top right corner of the page, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down the Settings page until you see the section labeled Cookie Preferences. Click on Manage Cookie Preferences. You will see options for different types of cookies. Turn off, allow functional cookies, allow analytical cookies, allow marketing cookies. Once you've made these changes, click Confirm to save your cookie preferences. And that's it. You've successfully disabled cookies in Trello to protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick tech guides and tutorials.